Welcome back. It's your favorite girl, the Melza, with your favorite channel, and you're watching a demi art tutorial. Today we'll be drawing Lisa Simpson. We'll start from her hair, down to her mouth, also drawing her neck. Next, we'll draw her arm. Now we'll draw her second arm. Next, we'll draw Lisa's dress. Now we'll sketch her legs. Next, we'll draw her ear. After that, draw her nose and her eyes. Now we'll draw her beads. After that, sketch her shoes. And finally, we add thickness to our lines and add more details, and also add the floor. If you're done, it should look like this. And we're done. I hope yours is looking better than mine. So we have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please do well to press the subscribe button to subscribe, and also click the notification bell to get notified whenever I post new videos. Remember to leave your comments in the comment section below, and also remember to like this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.